Your manager gives you the following task. I have 2,000 items in a list or even more, and some of these items are repeated. What you need to do now is find only the unique items out of this list. Now, you could sort the data and from there do some sort of count, but there's a brilliant new Excel formula called unique. Let me show you how this formula within seconds will have a look at your list of 2,000 items and only provide you with the unique items. Let me show you. Your manager wants you to take a list of 2,000 items. As you can see in our example, we go from item number 1 and we go all the way down to item 2000. And what your manager wants you to do is to take the list of 2000 items, work through them, and provide a much smaller list of only the unique items in the list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by typing equal unique, do my bracket, and then I'm going to select the whole list of items and I'm going to close my bracket. And what I find next is that out of this list of 2000 items, there are actually only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And now, as an added bonus, wouldn't it be nice to sort those items? So I'm going to use another formula called sort. I'm going to click on the original cell and I'm going to add to the formula sort, open bracket, close bracket, and enter. And there I have the items sorted from A to Z.